In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or restore an account in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing to clean up your accounts or perhaps reactivate one that was mistakenly made inactive, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and simplify this entire process for you. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. You can do this easily by performing a quick Google search for QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the website, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, making it easy to spot. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and log in with the email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. If you're accessing this platform regularly, your browser might even offer a helpful autocomplete feature to make this easier. Once logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see several options, but for our purpose, click on Transactions. This will open up a drop-down where you'll find an important option titled Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on Chart of Accounts. This page will display a comprehensive list of all the accounts currently set up in your QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to make an account inactive, scroll through the list to find the specific account you have in mind. To the far right of each account, there's a small arrow pointing downward. Click on this arrow, which will open up a few more options. Among these, you'll want to select Make Inactive. Selecting this option helps you tidy up your account list without permanently deleting anything. A handy tip for when you want to reduce clutter. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about making this account inactive. Click on Yes, Make Inactive, and just like that, your account is marked as inactive. Remember, making an account inactive simply means it's hidden from your main list. The information is still there if you need to bring it back. Now, what if you've changed your mind and need to make the account active again? That's also a simple process. Head back to the Chart of Accounts. Somewhere at the top of the list, there will be an option to display inactive accounts. Click on this, and once you find the account you need, select Make Active. This action will restore the account to its former state, allowing it to appear once again in your active list. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively delete, or rather deactivate and restore an account in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this guide clear and informative, and it helps you manage your accounts seamlessly. If you have further questions or need additional insights, feel free to explore more of our tutorials.